Welcome! Today we will show you how to top up your game through our website. First, when you enter the store, choose the game you want to top up. Then choose your game server. Then choose the product you want to top up. Then write your game ID. Click Verify. Then, click the Continue to Checkout button. This window will appear through which you can choose the product quantity and view the price and the ID you entered. Click Confirm. Then, choose the network type you want to send through. A QR code or wallet address will appear. Copy it. Then, copy the amount exactly as written. After confirming the transfer via your wallet app, wait for confirmation on the website. Now, after confirmation, the order processing interface will appear. Congratulations! Now your order has been completed. And this is your order summary. Please don't forget to leave a review to rate your experience and help other shoppers. And you will get the Shop2TopUp diamonds in your account to use after completing any top-up process for your favourite games.